Before we go, let's just introduce ourselves. We have with us in our studio Arjun. Arjun, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Arjun. Basically, I'm from a commerce graduate background. Finished my MBA, got interested in digital marketing, and then I'm here right now.
Welcome, Arjun. Shakti. Shakti, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Shakti here. Well, I am from Tamil Nadu. Well, I completed BSc Computer Science and right now I am working in a company called SkyHub.
Excellent, Shakti. Welcome. And Vignesh.
Hey, hi, I'm Vignesh and I'm from OT and I'm currently working with a private company as a business development manager, and I completed my master's in MBA, and I want to change my career into digital marketing, so I'm here.
Welcome, Vignesh. Yes, Arjun, you seem very excited about introducing yourself.
My name is Arjun, I am from Bangalore. I am an engineering graduate, electrical to be precise, and then I started working with Siemens India Private Limited. I am the regional head for the marketing and sales division for South India. And I'd come into WMA on personal interest to learn something new, but now it's turning into something exciting.
Excellent. Welcome, Arjun. Tulsi. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Tulsi. I'm typically from Bangalore. I'm a traditional media buyer and planner. I'm here at WMA to learn digital marketing the professional way.
Excellent. Welcome, Tulsi. Avik, the quieter kinds. Yes, Avik.
Hi, I'm Avik Chatterjee. I'm from Kolkata. I have around 10 years of work experience, out of which last 5 years was in WOH and in Kolkata itself. And I'm here to learn about new skills in digital marketing. And I find WMA is a very interesting place, very friendly place where you can learn and deliver at the same time. Thank you.
Excellent. Welcome, Avik. And last but not the least, we have with us Sujit.
Hello guys, my name is Sujit Maske. Basically, I am from Pune. I have been completing my 12th science. I have the interest in internet. That's why I am joining the WMA Academy, which is present in Bangalore.
How old are you? How old are you?
18-year-old.
18. 18 years.
Wow, so that's not just the age mix, the gender mix that we have. We also have the location mix where we are looking at people from Pune, from Chennai, from Bangalore, from Hyderabad, just about every other region, including Kolkata. Yes, Avik, we've included that as well. So, Vignesh, how was your experience been? So far at WMA, what's your experience so far?
Yeah, first thing when I joined WMA, they asked me to empty my cup, that is empty my brain, so then I can learn everything as a fresher. And after joining WMA, they did not teach me only about digital marketing. They also taught me about personal development, and also they taught me how to present myself in front of public. So that encouraged me, and that gave me a good motivation, so where I can perform myself better than what I was doing previously. And apart from that, all my trainers, they are not just our trainers, they became my friends, and it's like, hey buddy, come and I'll teach you this and that, and until then they finish this particular topic, they'll not move on to the next one. And I also keep asking questions every time, so when I'm very much clear about one topic, only then they'll move on to the next topic. So I'm very much happy to continue my course here.
Thank you so much, Vignesh. You just seem to have opened the entire culture at WMA for everybody. That's great. So Arjun, what was your reaction when Suresh Babu, the founder CEO of WMA, when he said that you'll be handling a live project that involves 5-star chefs? What was your first reaction to that?
Well, it was a mix of a lot of emotions. It started off with excitement because the first project ever that I'm going to do, I'm going to start working. And I was barely 3 weeks into the course, and we already had a live project which we all had to be part of. That was exciting, but then when we reached the place, we spoke to the chefs to handle. But then we made sense of it and we understood that it can actually be delivered. By the time I was returning, I was paranoid because I didn't know what to do, how to structure what we had actually discussed over there. But then Suresh told us there is a method to all of this. So that's where I was a little okay. I sobered down a bit. And then exhausted. Reaching back home after the event was exhausting, but fun. Thank you.
Okay, so was that paranoia because you were only 3 weeks old?
Yeah.
Excellent. So we'll come back to you on this. Shakti, could you please explain your experience at Three Kings Cafe? How was it?
While when I was first entering into it, I just feel it's all generally it will be like normal restaurant. But after I entered inside, the atmosphere of the Three Kings Cafe was really excellent. So really I had a great experience there.
Excellent. So I'm sure you were mesmerized how Paul, the person who heads the place, who was an ex-sous chef at Leela, I'm sure you guys, all of you enjoyed the way he, told about his experiences. So Avik, could you please summarize what exactly was told there and what is it that they want and expect from WMA students doing live project?
Yeah, actually, Paul revealed his entire business plan the other day when we were visiting his premises, his restaurant in particular. And there are a few objectives in which he laid stress upon. And the objectives are as follows. He wants to double the weekday business on month-on-month basis. Followed by, he wants to double his branch numbers. He has a weekend branch, so he wants to double the branch sales. Every fortnightly, he will be taking the figures. It's like that. Followed by, he wants to increase the value of his door deliveries. That is, he wants a bigger billing on his door deliveries. And that is one of the main areas of concern for him. Followed by, he wants to have at least one outdoor catering work done every week, so that his ODC gets a mileage. So these are some of the primary objectives in which he laid stress upon. So this is the thing. So we are working on it currently, and very shortly we will be finishing a report to him on this.
Excellent.
So that reminds me, I'm so excited because I can see the involvement. You are all using the terms which is related to hotel industry, like ODC and all these things. So it shows how much involved you are, and I'm excited about that one too.
Sujit, you seem to be very excited. So what part of the project actually excites you?
Before going that point, what you told me, I want to tell something about that hotel. I like the biryani in that hotel. The taste of that biryani was very awesome. Not only the food I like, but also I like the person. Means the owner of that restaurant, who is very confident and also know more information about how to make different types of food. And he did the chef job in the USA. One of the best thing which I more like is the decoration and serving of this restaurant. I like it everything in that hotel. And my excited point is blogging.
Blogging. You like to blog?
I like to blog in that.
Okay, alright. So we'll come back on that, Sujit. Okay, Arjun, the foodie. Can you describe the session we've had so far at WMA to zero down on the strategy and plan for the client?
Yeah, just a background of it, but a little bit. What Arjun was talking about, his paranoia. When Suresh came to our class and told you will be doing a live project on a hotel or a cafe, I thought it will be, and he mentioned it's in a campus. So I thought it will be a small shop with 2-3 rooms or something. But when I went there, it was, whew. This is the little reaction that I had. And on that, we spoke to Paul, the person who runs the restaurant. He gave so many ideas. We came back. We tried to jot down what we wanted to do, and the board was filled up. We had no idea what to do, where to start. So Suresh helped us out with a sample that you can follow this and you can do it. And we tried doing that. We had a couple of sessions. We narrowed down on what we want to focus on, whether it's social media or it's going to be an offline, but majorly digital because we are working on that. And we did sort of make a report out of it, which probably will help me forward and doing other projects, and that's about it.